If you are looking for a killer strategy that you can use to 10 times your trading, then you want to watch the entire video, because in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a wonderful strategy. This strategy has proven to be a strategy that works 99.99% of the time. And you can use this strategy to scale up all the way from your first $10 to your first $50 to your first $100, all the way down to your first 1,000, and probably hit your first $100,000 trade in the binary options market. You can also apply this strategy across forex market. You can apply it to scalp, because you can do this even on the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, on the 15-minute time frame. It is basically the same. The only difference is that the time frames are different. So this is a core price action strategy. You know how it goes over here. I only trade price action. I do not use anything indicator or robot, right? So whatever I'm teaching you guys is core price action. So this strategy is based upon price action. So you need to be able to learn and understand price action. Then you can use this strategy to the best way possibly to enhance and to 10 times your trading. So this strategy, I'm going to be showing you how it works on the downtrend. I'm going to be showing you how it works when the price is ranging, which means when the price is moving in a straight line. And I'm going to be showing you how it works when we are on a uptrend. So all these 3 examples I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So make sure you watch through till the end so you don't miss out on any important detail. So the first example I'm going to be showing you guys is when we are having an uptrend. So we can see on this chart right now that the price, we are falling very strong in favor of the sellers, and then we had the price creating equal low over here, and this is a double bottom pattern. I have mentioned this countless times on the channel. This is what I teach most, even in my inner circle and in the mentorship programs. The double bottom pattern is a trend reversal pattern. You need to be able to identify that at all times, right? So if you find double bottom pattern is the sign of a reversal, and the price may want to be moving in the opposite of the major trend. This was a downtrend. The price created this new low, raised over here, created this high. This is a lower high. We expect the price to fall down to create a new low, but it failed, right? As you can see that the price has reversed back, now back to this level again. So you will see that the price will eventually break it in the future. You see, the price has now broken this over this level, this lower high swing. The reason why the buyers are so strong is the fact that the sellers failed to put the price in their favor. So the buyers have now taken charge of the market, and you can see that these levels will easily be broken. So if you can identify all these patterns, it is going to help you a lot. And the only way to do this is through the power of price action. This is what we teach in our mentorship program. So you want to consider joining us. The link will be placed below. Join the Telegram channel and contact us directly. So you see now that the price has broken this lower high swing, and now we can now say that the price is now in favor of the buyers, because obviously you can see that this is a sign of by price action. You can see that when this happens, it is a sign that the buyers are now in charge, and you should be considering to go with them. So we will be going with the buyers, of course. So now we can see that the price has now created this new low, a new high here. Let's see what happens if we can have a proper retracement. Remember, the retracement phases are going to be minor of the major trend. So now we're having a major uptrend. We are going to be looking at the retracement phase that's going to be a minor downtrend. So let's move forward. You see that the price will now start to create lower highs and lower lows. You can see now that this is a high. I can say this is a low. Now this is a lower high. Now this is a lower low. So we can also go forward to see what the price does, and you can see that the price continue in that pattern for a while. Now you can see that this is now a pattern, I can consider this to be a proper retracement phase. Now, the next thing you want to do is to draw your trend lines. Now, when you see that the price is retracing properly, you want to draw your trend line because those are the entry levels. Those are the key levels. Those are where you want to be entering your trade. So how do we do this? We want to be applying a trend line, and we are going to be connecting all the resistance levels together that we can possibly see on the chart. So we'll be using this trend line, connecting all these levels together, and you can see that now the price has broken this level on this candle, and you can see that when that happens, the price rose strongly in favor of the buyers. So this is how to identify the setup on an uptrend and trade it effectively, guys. So how do we identify a range? We can identify a range if we spot that the price is consistently hitting a certain area multiple times in the market and the buyers are not moving it, the sellers are not moving it. The strategy is pretty the same. You are just simply going to be waiting for a breakout when you identify those strong zones that the price is testing multiple times. So with this example, you can see that the price has, you can see that this was a price where the buyers were strong. Then sellers stepped in, moved it, just created this new low over here, and then the price rose again. And we can see that the price for me, because if we say now that this was a strong downtrend, this is a previous lower high swing, the price has broken it, so we can say that the buyers are stronger, right? So the next we want to be waiting for just by normal price action, we want to be waiting for a proper retracement phase, which is like a minor downtrend or whatever it is. But let's see what happens with this market. So you can see that the price starts to move and failing to create new highs. You can see that it is failing to create new high. Again, it has shied away from that level. Now it kept on shying away from that level again. You can see, so this is a sign that we are having a range, because you can see that we are supposed to be expecting that the price should at least continue to move up in favor of the buyers, but you can see that this is now a level that the price has tested multiple times in the market. Now, if we identify these type of levels, what we want to do is to apply our horizontal level as quickly as possible, or we can just use this rectangle tool and just draw out these levels. So when we draw them out, we tend to see what is happening in the bigger picture, because that is how to know what is going on, so that we do not miss out on any important detail. So having this level drawn out, you can see that this is a level that the price consistently shied away from multiple times. You can see it has done that 3 times in the past, and this is also a level that the price has also just shied away from, but just once. But we can say that let's see what happens, because now the price has also come to this level again, and let's keep seeing what will happen in the future. So you see that the price is still shying away from this very level. The price came, and now you can see that this is a strong buyer's entry again, and you can see that buyers took charge and moved the price in their favor one more time. This time the price may be hitting this level or coming back to this previous level again. Now, if we have seen these patterns of a range, the next thing we want to be waiting for patiently is the breakout from either side of that very market. But it works more if we follow the original trend. This one, we can see that this is an uptrend, because this is a lower high swing broken. So if we have a breakout from the resistance level, it will work, it will serve us well. But whatever happens, even if we have a breakout on the support level, we are also going to be placing our trade. So moving forward, you will see that the price, we are still moving in that box, and just it kept happening. It happened for a very, very long time, and we can see that it's just still moving in a straight line, because this level to this level, that is where the price kept bouncing. So this is a very strong range, and if we have a breakout is going to be a very massive one. So it continued, and again the price came back, tested this level again, and it refused. It was unable to break it, which is a sign that this is a very strong level. Now, this is a strong consolidation. Price is just contrasted in this tunnel, and this is something that happens when this market is finding indecision, which means the buyers are not strong, the sellers are not strong, and the power is just compressed in one small line. That's what we are seeing over here. So it continued to play out strongly, and you can see that the price kept moving and moving and moving in that straight line until eventually we had a breakout from the support level. So this is a strong breakout on the support level, which has now closed, price closed outside of this box for the first time after a very long time. So this is where we are now going to be entering our trade. At the end of this candle, we are going to place in your trade, and when that happens, we see that the price will continue to fall down very strongly, and this is how to trade this strategy when you are trading in a ranging market or in a consolidation market. So now we are going to be moving to the next one, which is how to trade this same pattern when you are trading in a downtrend. Before we do that, I want to invite you to join our Telegram group, where we give out a lot of signals every day. We give out over 20 signals daily. So if you are too busy, you don't have time to trade, this is one opportunity you want to be taking advantage of. All you have to do is click the link. Is going to be below the video description. So click it, join the group, and we'll be giving you free signals every single day. And a lot of people are making passive income from this. Very busy people who cannot trade, they are using this as an advantage to make passive income. So just a reminder, you don't want to be missing out. So join us today and let's trade and make money together, guys. So let's move on. So how do you now use this same strategy if the price is trending in a downtrend? The first thing you want to do is to identify the trend. Now you can see that this level, this price here is no doubt a downtrend, because you can see that this is a very strong seller's entry for the past hours, right? So the next thing we want to be waiting for is a sign that the buyers can step in for a while and see how they can challenge the sellers. They are not going to do much. They're just going to be stepping in to show that, hey, we are in the market, right? So let's see if we can have that. Now you will see that the price pulled down and started to buyers started to come in and started moving the price upward. You see, so now this is a sign that the buyers are present. It's a sign that the buyers are present and they can let the sellers know that they are in the market. So when you have identified the proper retracement, so the only way to know if we are having a proper retracement is when you start to have some kind of higher highs and higher lows. When you're having an overall downtrend, you want to be having some higher highs and some higher lows on the minor trend, like what we're having over here. So when you have these kind of patterns, the next thing you want to do is to draw your trend line, and you are going to be connecting all the higher lows together like this, because now this is a low, this is a higher low. You see that the price has created this higher high here. That's why we can trust this to be a strong support, because from this low over here, the price created this new high. You see, so from this new high, price created this new higher low. From this higher low, we have this higher high. So we can trust this support to be a strong support, and we can trust it to be our retracement guideline. So you can see that the price started to run and kept creating higher highs, as you can see. And when we start to have situations like this, what we are going to be waiting for is a breakout from this trend line, and that's going to be our entry trigger. I've traded this pattern multiple times in the market. You can watch all these videos all over the channel. So when you see that we have a proper breakout on this support level, we are going to be placing our trade, and you can see that when that happens, the price will start to run and fall down very, very strongly. So this is everything about these strategies, and this is how I trade them. I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same. If you have any questions, drop them below. You are interested in learning price action, join our mentorship program. It's currently running. And if you find any value in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, as usual, drop them. And if you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss out. Turn on the bell icon as always. And I'll see you all on the next one.